Hello, I'm Dr. Dumitrescu. At Precision Medicine, I offer a concierge functional medicine practice that functions at the apex where health, fitness, and performance meet. I've been practicing medicine for almost 20 years now, and when I first started, people would come to me with joint pain and spine pain, and it took me a very short time to realize that most people don't just need injections or cortisone or opioids, but basically they need to optimize their health. Once your hormones are balanced and your metabolism is optimized, especially when you're reaching your ideal body weight, it is much easier to treat and prevent more injury and degeneration in the body. Your concierge program starts with a get-to-know-you visit, followed by customized labs or radiological tests, or both. We will then have a long discussion or conversation about the results of these tests, at which time we will customize a plan of treatment specifically designed for you. This usually includes hormone and metabolic optimization, athletic optimization with supplements and peptides, and, when needed, physical therapy and regenerative treatments. You, our members, will benefit from state-of-the-art laboratory services collected in-house, physical therapy also in-house, and our unparalleled regenerative services. More importantly, you will have unrestricted access to our medical care team. You will initially have periodic follow-ups every 3 months to begin with, and at various intervals afterwards, of course dictated by your individual needs. The concierge practice at Precision Medicine will basically eliminate all obstacles to your success. And at the same time, it's designed to hold you responsible for following through on our advice and our plans. Furthermore, I want you to know that every member of our staff practices what they preach. We are all dedicated to health and fitness in our personal lives as we are in yours. You are in the best hands.